Hi, I am Johnny John. Today let us talk about how we can use meditation as a catalyst to develop self-transformation. Now, there are all types of meditation techniques, but the most powerful one are those which promote self-knowing. And the ones which promote self-knowing are the Vipassana types of meditation, because these meditation techniques focuses on observing reality as it is. These techniques will not include visualizations, the control of breath, chanting, background music, because all of these will block self-knowing. These types of meditation techniques, the Vipassana types, will focus on simply observing the reality of the mind, of the body, and through the practice one develops the knowing of their true nature, of one's true nature, and the relationship between the body and mind. So it's really a powerful technique for self-knowing. So the experience of relaxation and happiness are actually secondary. That's not the purpose, the primary goal of meditation. The primary goal is to develop self-knowing through developing stillness. Of course, the secondary effects of relaxation and happiness will come as one deepens that stillness. Now let us understand a bit about how stillness is developed in meditation. The journey of developing stillness is a journey of chaos, because it is by overcoming the chaos that we experience in our meditation sessions that stillness can be developed even deeper. And that's how we can go deeper into the mind. And it's by facing the deeper chaos with self-acceptance, with acceptance that we can develop stillness even deeper, by letting it come, letting it go, rather than holding on to it, rather than rejecting it, rather than exaggerating it. So developing stillness can be said to be pulling ourselves into the state of stillness when we encounter chaos, to not dwell in our wandering thoughts, to not let our negativities overcome us, to get out of negative states as soon as possible, to simply just observe. And for most people, when they begin meditation, it will be the most difficult time, because it's then they will realize how messy their mind is, and as a result they won't know what to do with their wandering thoughts. Most people will just end up dwelling in their wandering thoughts, will end up reacting, because one will not know the difference between reacting and observing. But through practice of meditation day by day, this is how you develop the ability to discern the different states of mind, the ability to be still when chaos comes. And like this, then you can carry that state of stillness throughout the day, to be still. And this will help you to be aware of the moments when you are unstill, to uncover the chaos, to uncover the suffering states of mind. And when you do this, you will be able to then address it. Now, the more you develop the ability to be still and simply observe, this will take you deeper and deeper into your mind, because then you will let go of the wandering thoughts, into the deeper wandering thoughts. You will be able to let go of your surface habit patterns, then go into the deeper habit patterns. At the beginning of your meditations, let me give you an example. In the beginning of your meditation sessions, you may be going through the surface thoughts that you have been generating for the past seconds. And like this, you'll be going deeper into the mind, to the surface thoughts that you have been generating for the past minutes. Then like this, to the past hours, the past weeks, the past months, the past years, the past even lifetimes. That is how you get to know yourself. Instead of thinking who you are, as you get rid of these thoughts, you'll get into a more reactional level of the self. You will begin to be more enlightened. You will begin to develop the knowing of who you really are. this is how I react. I have this fear. I have this attachment. And with deeper realization, I don't need this attachment because it generates suffering, because I have observed how it creates suffering within. I don't need these thoughts because it creates fears. I do not need these thoughts because it creates unhappiness within. So with self-knowing comes self-transformation. And meditation is a great catalyst for you to take you on that journey of realizing who you are, how the mind works, the cause of your suffering. So I would advise you to take meditation for the path of self-transformation. And if you're not practicing any meditation and would like to try, you can take my course, the 5% Breath. It's a free course I have created, a powerful meditation technique to help to still your mind so you can experience a taste of what meditation is. So in conclusion, meditation is a truly powerful catalyst. It will help you to develop stillness. And from stillness comes self-knowing, comes self-acceptance, comes self-transformation.